Hello and welcome to my channel. My name is Maria. Thank you so much for stopping by. So today I'm going to make a cotton candy rainbow waffles. Now I got this idea off of Pinterest. I thought this would be a great addition to my birthday party theme. So I hope you enjoy this video. So in one of my previous videos, I mentioned that I will be going live on the 25th at 6 p.m. Eastern time because it's going to be, it falls on, well, the day before my birthday. And I also had mentioned that I wanted to do birthday cakes and everything fake bake related birthdays, for that whole week. But what I really meant to say was that I wanted to do it for the entire month. So this entire month, I'm going to dedicate all of my fake bakes to birthdays. So I think this is a great idea. I really can't wait to get started, and this actually is one of them. So I hope you stay tuned, and I hope you really like them. Give me some feedback, about this idea of mine. Other than that, yeah, I can't wait to go live, and I hope to see you guys there. So while I was painting the waffle, I noticed that I was making dents in the clay, and that's because I did not let it dry completely before I started painting it. So next time I'll know that first let it dry and then use a smaller brush to go inside the smaller areas. This way it would help me from making any dents. So I made this waffle cone from Model Magic, but I'm not too sure if I still want to use it or use a waffle cookie instead. I am going to make one and then I'm going to decide which of the two I like the most. Instead of using the flower-shaped cookie cutter, I had to switch to a different one because whenever I will pull the clay away from the cookie cutter, it just kept tearing up. Perhaps if I would have let it sit and dry out, it would have not done that because the air clay is very soft. So perhaps next time when I'm not in a hurry, I will do that. But because of video purposes, I had to try to create this as fast as I could. I chose to stick with the waffle cookie, and the only thing I need to add is some birthday candles, and we are done. I really love how it came out. Here's a closer look for you. Guys, if you really like this channel, please give it a thumbs up, and if you have not subscribed, I really would love for you to do so. This would also help my channel grow. And again, thank you so much for stopping by and checking out my video. And until the next time, my friends, stay safe, be kind, bye.